An Oklahoma transfer on death deed is used to transfer ownership of real property to a designated beneficiary without having to go through probate court. As the name implies, it becomes effective at the time of the grantor's death. In this video, we'll cover how a transfer on death deed works, legal requirements, and how to revoke it if necessary. We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms, and we're here to simplify everyday legal processes so you can take matters into your own hands. To create your own transfer on death deed, click the link at the end of this video. Let's start with the basics. What is a transfer on death deed and how does it work? Typically, when a person passes away, their properties and assets go through the probate court before they can be dispersed to the rightful heirs. It can be a very long and complicated process. A transfer on death deed, also sometimes known as a beneficiary deed, is a type of deed that allows a person to bypass probate and transfer the ownership of their real property to a designated beneficiary when they die. The transfer becomes effective after the beneficiary records an affidavit confirming the transferor's death, along with other related documents. So what are the legal requirements for a transfer on death deed in Oklahoma? The deed must be recorded with the county recorder's office in the county where the property is located prior to the grantor's death. The deed must be signed by the grantor in the presence of a notary public. A legal description of the property must be included in the form. This can be found on the property deed or at the county recorder's office. The beneficiary must record the affidavit with the office of the county clerk within 9 months of the grantor's death. Keep in mind that it is not required by law in Oklahoma for the grantor to notify the beneficiary about the transfer on death deed or for the beneficiary to accept. Finally, can a transfer on death deed be revoked or changed after it's already been recorded with the county clerk? The answer is yes. In Oklahoma, a transfer on death deed may be revoked or changed by executing, acknowledging, and recording a revocation document in the county clerk's office, or executing, acknowledging, and recording a new transfer on death deed to overwrite the previous one. For the revocation to be effective, it must be recorded with the county recorder's office before the transferor's death. Ready to create your own transfer on death deed? Click the link below to get started using our easy-to-use fillable forms. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos that simplify complicated legal matters.